I made a watery puddle of blue here, very light blue. And I'm going to do the back of a black cat. If you're going to do a different colored cat, you could make a watery solution of another color. But you just put in some ears. You could have them draw this first. It'd probably be a lot easier. Get the top of the head. Some ears. And what I'm trying to create is just a puddle. When I want to do this kind of fast so that it stays wet, and I am using that inexpensive watercolor paper. So I am on a little tilt, so it makes it a little hard. If it's flatter, it's better. So let's see. Some shoulders. Keeping it wet everywhere. It would be way easier if they did a drawing first. Maybe you can have a couple sample drawings of cat shapes. Looking from the back, you just get one from the front and keep it wet. Maybe put a tail over here. Okay, there, that's nice and wet. Now I can take my black. I don't need much, but you start filling it in with stripes while it's soaking wet. So, and if you have a nice wet puddle there, just let that all blend together. I could have brought this black up a little more to the ear, shape out that ear better. Both of them. There. Don't want to play with it too much. Let that dry. And then you can put a little bird back here, like have the cat having something to do. I don't know if maybe I should make one on the ground. Start with the beak. Make a little bird, an eye. Goes a little sparrow. Just put head in there. And in. Bird. Oh yeah, and then you can also just add some detail. Bring a few whiskers out for this guy. Oops. And it's kind of a fun lesson. You just let them go if they want to put more detail or more grass or something in here. It would look pretty if it had some good background. Oops. Flash a couple flowers on there. This did blend in quite a bit because of the angle my paper's at. It would be better if it was laying flat. But I think they'll like that. I've done it with a couple people, and they like cats. Thanks.